Here you go. Rip it open. Christmas will take a long time, I have a feeling.
Yeah, I don't think you want a fireplace.
Here, I'll help you.
You'll be there all
Here you go. Stole this idea from Grandma Lynn. She had one at your house and it's a success.
What, taping it?
No.
Oh,
present.
Probably should have had her open it in front of that thing.
Oh yeah, yeah. Turn it over.
Turn it over. Oh, doctor. You can be doctor again. Yeah. Yeah, let me see it.
Fish are nice.
Doctor.
And this little Western New York kid on here.
Oh, covered with snow? Oh, it must be in the north.
That whole state.
No.
that
Carolina
one-
didn't have anything?
I
and
know.
that's
Isn't that
it.